Are you short on money for everyday needs, quality food, brand clothing, traveling, time with family? Are you afraid to lose your income because you have no savings? Are you unsure about tomorrow because your work or business is unstable? Does your work or business not bring your satisfaction and you only do it for money? People keep stepping on the same rake when trying to solve their problems, trying to earn more. You spend all your time on work, but your family is left without attention. Traveling only when dreaming, trying to save money. You put them in a bank for interest that doesn't even cover inflation. And when you realize that, you take all your money out of the bank and invest them in just another financial pyramid where you lose your last penny. You make regular contribution to the pension fund, even though the pension program guarantees you will not make to the pension more than it guarantees a prosperous old age. Trying to sort out your business, you have to invest a lot of money in products, equipment, real estate, human resources. This doesn't guarantee a profit, and the investment, in the best-case scenario, will pay off after a year or perhaps 5. Trying to make your dreams come true lead you to the realization that dreams are just a childhood fantasy, and grown-ups must live in the so-called reality. Stop. Understand that if you keep trying to solve your problems as you did yesterday, the result will be the same as today. It is time to act different. It is time to act effectively. SKYWAY grants you access to a new business in the multi-level crowd investing business. This is the solution to all your problems. And most importantly, this business is available to you in terms of price, location, marital status and all other parameters. Judge for yourself. Minimal optimal investment in the business of $250. Payoff from day one. Time required for work at the beginning is 5 to 8 hours a day, then 3 to 5 hours. You can work from anywhere on the planet via internet or in real life, whatever you prefer. Your activity is simple and understandable. Invite acquaintances, organize meetings with experts online, in a cafe or at home. No need to buy equipment or products. You always have money to create capital that will bring you a passive income, which is why you can courageously retire at any moment. All of your family members can be your partners in the business, which means that you will have mutual uniting interests. Thanks to SKYWAY, you can earn more while working less. This allows you to travel with the family and enjoy life. Just imagine how you taste exotic fruits by the sea, while new arrivals are awaiting you at the shopping mall in the evening. You can stop thinking about the price and buy whatever you want. In SKYWAY, you will learn how to save and multiply your money, which will provide confidence in the future and an opportunity to retire in just 5 years. Just think about it. 40, 30, 20, 10, 5 best years of your life can be saved for your own happiness instead of working for money. You will finally feel stable development and the demand for you because SKYWAY is engaged in business relevant and needed to all humanity. Without exaggeration, you will become a hero to your family. What do you need for happiness? A new car? A huge house? A yacht? A trip to the Maldives? A loved business? A family? Acceptance? A free life in any part of the world? A clean planet? Or maybe happy people around you? Are you ready to get all of that? We are creating the new economic evolution of the world. What is it? Imagine a society where everyone is the owner of all useful production. You turn on light in your house and make a profit. You drive on a road and make a profit. You buy groceries and make a profit. You are constantly making a profit when somebody checks in a hotel, for example, or rides a unibus. And this happens wherever and whenever. SKYWAY units business that is available to all, financial education and investment. It is exactly what you need to solve all of your problems. So call or write to the person who shared this video with you. Demand your information from them right now. Because the sooner you begin to act, the sooner you will make your dreams come true.